Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hijara on your screen today with another video. If you're new to this channel, you are most definitely welcome. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel down below, turn on your post notification bell, and always remember to give this video a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, you are most definitely welcome. Thank you for coming back. As always, please give this video a thumbs up and also share and comment below. In today's video, I'll be doing a DIY, and this is one of my most frequently asked questions on YouTube. Jereel, how do you make fenugreek oil? How do you make fenugreek oil? How do you make fenugreek oil? So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my homemade authentic fenugreek oil without much process, no stress, no hard work involved. All you need to do is just get your fenugreek seeds and start the process. So I'm making this video very simple and very short for all of you who are asking after how to make this oil, and we know the benefits of fenugreek oil. I don't want to go much into that. If you don't know, I can make a video, compile a video telling you the benefits of fenugreek oil for the body in general. So today I'll be making two methods of the fenugreek oil. I'll be making the cold press method and the heat method. And the cold press method is very easy and very fast, but it also takes time for the processing to be done, or for the fenugreek oil to be done, whilst this takes just 20 to 25 minutes for the oil to be ready. So I'm sure that you guys will want to try out this one. It has been on your lips, Jereel, when are you showing us the tutorial on how to make fenugreek oil? So here you go, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and still keep on watching, because I will show you how to make this beautiful magic oil.
So guys, starting off, you'll be needing your fenugreek seed or methiseeds. You can get this seed anywhere in the local market. If you're in Nigeria, you can either call it fenugreek or methi. Is a well-known spice for your jollof and for your meat. Yeah, so this is what the seed looks like. And you can also get this from Amazon or eBay or even Jumia. I think you can get some of this in Jumia. So this is my fenugreek seed, and I'll be taking 3.5 tablespoons of fenugreek seed, and I'll be putting it into the blender. Please overlook my cracked voice. I'm not feeling very well, but I still had to do this voice over so that you guys can understand how to prepare this fenugreek oil. So here is the fenugreek seeds in my blender. I'm going to blend it and I'll be right back. So guys, here is the blended fenugreek seed. You can blend this into a better form. Mine was slightly powdery, but because of my blender was not giving me the best at the moment. But anyhow, we're still going to make this fenugreek seed. We're still going to make this fenugreek oil. Yeah, so I'll be preparing two methods. Like I already said, I'll be preparing the cold pressed and the heat method. So into the bigger glass jar, I'll be adding my fenugreek powder, and also into the other bowl I'll be adding the fenugreek powder. The glass one is for the hot method, the heat method, and while the plastic one is for the cold pressed method. So now into this powders, I'll be adding my 100% pure coconut oil, and you can use any oil you have. You can use olive oil, you can use avocado oil. These are all good oils you can use while preparing your fenugreek oil. So I'll just be using coconut oil. This is extra virgin coconut oil. So I'll be using this measuring cup. I'm not really measuring the quantity of oil I'm using, so you can make any quantity that you want, but making sure that the oil I'm adding will be enough to extract the fenugreek nutrients out of the fenugreek seeds or fenugreek powder. So I'll be adding my coconut oil, but you can use measurement if you want. I'm just showing you guys a tutorial on how to make fenugreek oil. So I'm going to go ahead and cover the plastic bowl, because this is going to be our cold press method, and it's going to sit for 2 weeks in a dark corner so that the whole nutrients in the fenugreek can be transferred into the oil. And I'll go ahead and cook the one in the mason jar. I'll go ahead and cook the one in the jar. This is the hot press method, and this one takes less than 25 minutes to be ready. This is the quicker method of preparing your fenugreek oil. So using a double boiling method, I'm going to cook my fenugreek oil till the nutrients and the fenugreek seed transfers into the oil. Now our fenugreek oil is ready, and I'm going to be extracting the oil from the powder, and I'm going to use a wick cap to extract this, because this wick cap is very good for filtering. It doesn't allow particles to transfer into the oil. So I'm going to go ahead and filter the oil and remove the chaff, the fenugreek chaffs from the oil, separate the two of them, and also ensure to squeeze out the remaining oils out of the seeds. So here is the fenugreek oil, very rich, very concentrated. This method is very straightforward and quick to derive. Yeah, so this is my fenugreek oil, all ready to be applied on my body, on my hair, on my skin, and also very good for enlargement. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and transfer the oil into my storage container. Please, you can store this oil in any container you choose, but this is my storage container, and you should preserve this oil. Keep it away from moisture, keep it away from water if you want it to last very long. This oil is very good. It's very good for your hair. It's very good for your body enlargement. You can apply it on your butts to enlarge your butts every day. You can apply it on your boobs to enlarge your boobs. This oil is very active. So I'll be doing a comparison between the coconut oil and the fenugreek oil. You can see the change in color. That's to tell you that the fenugreek nutrients transferred well into the coconut oil. So here we have the two. This oil is very strong and potent. So guys, we've got to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please do not leave here without giving a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, comment below, share. See you guys. Bye.